In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to use Afterpay in Sam's Club. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, I'm at the official Afterpay website and my region is set to the United States. Regardless of which region you are using, you can just set it up accordingly. And if we try to look for Sam's Club under the search bar and press enter, you will notice that nothing brings up the official Sam's Club website. Even if we look for something like Walmart, while we do have the option to buy Walmart gift cards from Afterpay, it doesn't even allow us to use Afterpay with the official Walmart store. As you can see, if I head over to the Help Sam's Club page at their official website, they don't list Afterpay as an accepted payment method on the Sam's Club website. So what this tells us is that sadly, as of today, it is impossible to use Afterpay on Sam's Club and Walmart. If you see the option, you can go ahead and try to use it, but many people reported that they don't have the option, nor does it appear when they search for Sam's Club like I did under the search bar. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it appears that it's impossible to use Sam's Club Afterpay as of late. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.